Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I do have a packaging here. I'm gonna open this one but on video because I waited for a long time for this. It said it was out for delivery about 2 weeks ago. It didn't show up, then it said it was in transit, then yesterday it was supposed to be delivered, now it's finally here. Then it said it was in transit and now it's here. I don't know. So a lot of this stuff is going to be like book related. That was what this was supposed to be. Alright. So I have a little pop socket kind of thing with books on it. Here is my cup. Look how bad that looks. It's like Halloween book themed. It's like an Awala, but a knockoff version. Okay. This is one of the items that is not a, how many pairs is this? A 9 pair of socks. I needed more socks. Speaking of socks, I got a 2-pack, and these are book related. It says, shh, I'm reading. So I got a 2-pack of those. A charger for my Kindle or my phone, because we have cameras in all of our cars that need to be plugged in. I got this bag with a little girl holding a book with some books on the side. I think I have 2 of those. So there should be another one in here. I have this one with the little dragon, the coffee cup. That one's a little bit bigger than the other one. They were similar price range. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one for later. Okay, so I have a cup that I have some kind of damage on, a Stanley cup. So I'm just going to scrape it down and put this on it. So it's got books for the bottom, and the top says easily distracted by books. Here's the other one. Well, this is a different color. This girl looks completely different than the other girl. So, guess I'll open this one too. And the book is a different color than this one. This one just looks really brighter. Okay. I got a pencil case, which I needed for my coloring. And for these little bags, you can put like your page turner and stuff in. I have another one of those pop sockets. I think I bought just a lot of them in one order, and then they sent it with some other orders. Oops, wrong one. There's what that one looks like. Alright, I have some reading stickers for my Kindle. I have The Paperwhite says 11th generation, yeah. I have the screen protectors for it. I have this pop socket. I have this pop socket. This is a 10-piece for the Kindle. So it's got two dust plugs, a little keychain thing. It's got a couple of these. Got that one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I just made a little box for my Kindle, so this all works out really well. This is a bag that I got as well. A little pouch to put my Kindle in. It's got strawberries on it. Then I have some other stickers for my Kindles. I'm gonna sit down if y'all can still see me. This is my blanket. It's a 70 by 100 centimeters, or yeah, 70 by 100 centimeters. Yeah, it's a little lap blanket with books on it. I do have a clear Kindle case. This is for the regular Kindle 11. That's my niece's. I don't think she watches my channel, so I can say that. We got her one for Christmas. I wanted this because I have a little truck that has nothing to do with books, but you can, you know, put your hair up so you can read, get it out of your way. I did get a thing of the dust plugs. Okay, I am really excited about this. This is my headband, so I can listen to audiobooks. I was so looking forward to this one. So it's got some speakers in it, and it goes over your head, and you can listen to your audiobooks. I have sorry for the crinkling. I have this pop socket. This pop socket. Have another thing of stickers. I'm stocked up on stickers. And another one. That one, how many pieces was it? That one was 500. And this one does not say. It's just book lovers is what it says. Okay, now I have a little baggie. Little pop socket. Kind of matches that bag I showed you earlier. Another thing of stickers. These have 150 in them. Yeah, I've got plenty of stickers. Here's another one. This is 50 stickers in this one. I'm not opening those because I don't want them to go everywhere. Another one, 50 stickers. One, I don't want them to go anywhere, and two, it's just going to take up a lot of time. And I don't want to waste your time. Okay, that one come in a bag, Okay. So this one is another pop socket. Thought I would like those. Turns out I don't. So I'm going to see if my niece would like them. Oh. I bought these. Whoa. Yeah. Well, it broke. Well, that sucks. I bought these for my niece to wear because she plays violin. But as you can see, this is broke. So I'm going to talk to Temu about that. I got the Comfy and Cozy book for coloring. Because I figured out I like that when I'm reading audiobooks. So here's just a page, a couple pages to look at. I think it is AI, but that's okay. Let's see if there's anything else. Yep. I got another thing of stickers. There's a small pack for 50. They're just really small stickers. Flip my bag over inside out and see, make sure I got everything. Yep, I got everything. So I did get this one, this bag, to hold my Kindle in as well. It says just one more chapter. It's got the zipper so I can put like maybe a Kindle in here and another Kindle here. I have 3 Kindles. I have the Color Soft, the Kindle Paperwhite, and then the original 11. And my Paperwhite, of course, is the 11 as well. Alright, anyway, that is everything. So thanks for watching.